In this video, we will compare N8N and Make.com, two powerful automation tools that let you connect apps and automate workflows without manual effort. If you are not sure which one to choose, this video will help you make that decision. Let's start with how each tool feels to use. Make offers a very clean visual interface. Even if you have never used an automation tool before, it is easy to build and visualize complex workflows with Make.com. You can tell just by looking that it is much beginner friendly than N8N. N8N leans more toward a developer-friendly environment. It also provides a visual workflow builder, but with more complexity. And if you can work with this complexity, you will have much more flexibility to create complex automations. You can write custom JavaScript functions, access raw HTTP requests, and manipulate data at a more granular level. That means N8N has a steeper learning curve, but it opens the door to more sophisticated automations. If you are just building simple automations, you can prefer Make.com. On the other hand, when it comes to advanced use cases, N8N really shines. It is built with developers in mind, allowing you to embed logic, conditionals, code blocks, and even create self-hosted setups for maximum control. Make prioritizes accessibility. It is perfect for users who want control without the need to write code. While Make does support some logic and built-in functions, it is not quite as customizable as N8N when things get complex. Make supports a solid catalog of over 2000 integrations. It includes most of the popular tools like Google Sheets, Slack, Notion, and more. For most users, that is more than enough to build real-world automations. N8N, however, supports around 1000 integrations, fewer than Make. But there is a twist. N8N lets you build your own custom integrations even with apps that aren't officially supported. One major difference between the two is hosting. Make is cloud-based only. Everything runs on their servers. It is great for convenience, but if data control and privacy are priorities for you or your organization, you may want something more flexible. That is where N8N stands out. It can be self-hosted. That means you can run it entirely on your own infrastructure, giving you full control over your workflows, data, and security. If we compare the pricing plans, Make has a free plan with 1000 operations per month, which is great for getting started. If you need more than 10,000 operations, it will cost you as little as $9 per month depending on the plan. Their Pro plan at $16 per month includes advanced features like scenario inputs, execution logs, and higher priority performance. If you are looking for 10,000 workflow executions per month, you will be looking at around $50 per month on their cloud hosted plan. Of course, if you choose to self-host N8N, you will have to go for the enterprise plan and you will be able to host N8N for free on your server. By looking at the pricing, you might feel that N8N is very expensive, but that is not true. Of course, the features offered are different, but the key point to note is, in Make, each single step in a workflow is counted as an operation, which means two different workflows, one with 2 steps and the other with 20 steps, will be a total of 22 executions. But N8N charges by execution, which means a workflow with 2 steps and a workflow with 20 steps will both be counted as one single execution, and that will make a total of 2 executions in comparison to the 22 executions of Make.com. So, which one should you go for? Choose Make if you want something user-friendly, cost-effective, and visually easy to learn and use with enough power for most business use cases. Go with N8N if you are comfortable with more technical setups, want full control over hosting and data, and need the flexibility to build complex automations using code. Both are excellent tools, but they serve slightly different needs. Pick the one that fits your workflow style and technical comfort. If you want to know how to use Make.com for free, then you can check the video on the left. If you want to know about an amazing AI tool that can build websites from scratch, then you can check the video on the right. If you liked this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in a new video.